Okay, so we want to create this funnel with grooves, and of course they are also in the inside here. So these are created with the pipe command, and one of the main challenges here is to create a path for that pipe. So I wanted them to be, if we look straight on this, I wanted them to curve slightly inwards in the end up here. So if I just delete this. So I started out with making the main shape. It's just a revolve and a fillet here. And then from the top, I created this sketch, if I hide the body. So this is the path for the grooves as it looks from above. And how to bring this line up here and also following the curve here. So of course we could try, if you make a new sketch, we could try to project the surface up here, and this is the curve. And we also need to project direction. So I long click and select that top face. And there we got a preview of our path. But if I try to make this pipe along it, let's set it to a larger amount, maybe 8. As you can see, the transition up here doesn't look that great. So if I go back before that and delete it, I instead need a path that goes slightly inwards up here. So you could probably do this by making some projections between lines, intersection lines, and also that project to surface. But I found it easier to make it with surfaces. So new sketch here, and project all the body. So we got this sketch. And let's say I wanted to start curving inwards here. So I just drag a fit point spline like that. Make this tangent to this line. Okay. And then in the surface, I extrude this one well above the other one and revolved. I have to make another line there. I need this line. Okay, revolve that around the center. And then use trim. This is our trimming tool. And if I click there, we'll get rid of that upper part. And now we've got our path up here that we need. So it follows the surface here, and then it curves inward. Back to solid, create pipe. something like that with join. And over here, I sketch on this face. Just a straight line from one edge to the other, and coincident constrain that to the center. And revolve this profile around the line we just created. And operation join. So we're close to having made our first. I just need this little fillet there. We can hide our body and let's sketch. And then pattern, circular pattern on features, and select fillet, the revolve, and the pipe. And the axis, just something that goes around, and quantity, something. Yes, and then I just shell this out from the top face and also the bottom. And don't try dragging this, because if you drag it too long here, Fusion will freak out. So set it to some value. Yeah, it's a bit complicated anyway. So let's see. Fusion has to think again. Yeah, and there we have it. I think if I made this fillet instead of chord length, make it constant, I think Fusion has a bit easier time with that. Yeah. So that's it.